Dreaming isn't magic. It's your brain deleting temporary files while you sleep. Also, your boss is a golden retriever. You're welcome. Why does your mind turn into a surrealist art gallery every night? Stick around. Your brain is about to explain itself. Remember that spreadsheet you stressed over at 9 a.m.? Yeah, your brain is currently filing it under important or trash. Dreams are the nightly shift crew. They sort through your day, keep what matters, and toss the rest. Think of it as digital decluttering. Except instead of a desktop, it's your hippocampus. And instead of a trash can, it's a void of floating pianos. But why the chaos? Why can't it just be a tidy little filing cabinet? Because your brain is messy. During deep sleep, neurons prune away weak connections. It's neural housekeeping, synaptic downscaling, fancy words for tossing out brain junk. But sometimes the broom swings too wide, and suddenly you're late for a meeting in your underwear. Wait until you hear why that happens. The classics: talking cats, missing teeth, running through molasses. These aren't just glitches, they're emotional stress tests. Your brain runs simulations to process fear, anxiety, and unresolved drama. That cat, probably your boss, with a tie. That missing tooth, just your brain reminding you to floss, probably. But what about the ones that feel real? So dreams are therapy. Yes, but with worse coffee. Sleep turns emotional memories into neutral ones. It's like your brain hits save on the feelings but strips the panic. You wake up feeling lighter, or at least that's the theory. Because sometimes you wake up screaming because you dropped your ice cream in 1998. Dreams aren't just about today, they're about everything. Here's the wild part. Your brain isn't just reacting, it's predicting. It runs thousands of fake scenarios to prep you for tomorrow. Why you're a golden retriever. Practice. Why you're flying. Practice. Why you're explaining taxes to a mannequin. Practice. Your mind is literally beta testing reality, and honestly, it's kind of impressive. Ever control the dream? Congratulations. You just hacked the system. Lucid dreaming is when your prefrontal cortex wakes up mid-sleep. You realize you're dreaming. You take the wheel. You can fly. You can eat infinite pizza. You can finally ask your crush out without the panic attack. But what locks the rest of you down? All this happens during REM. Rapid eye movement. Your eyes dart around like you're watching a tennis match. But your body, paralyzed, safety lock, prevents you from acting out the cat conference. Evolution's way of keeping you in bed and out of court. So why do some people remember it all, but what if you never dream? Don't panic. You probably do, you just forget. Dream recall is a skill, like remembering where you left your keys or your own name after a nap. Poor sleep quality kills recall. Stress, alcohol, irregular schedules. Your brain is too busy surviving to host the convention. Want to fix it? And yes, we share the same weird. Falling, being chased, showing up naked. It's universal. Why? Shared human wiring, ancient fears, modern anxieties. Your brain speaks the same dream language in every time zone. We're all just running the same glitchy software, with different skins. So here's the comfort. Your brain is working overtime, even when you're out cold. It's cleaning, sorting, simulating, healing. You're not broken. You're just running background maintenance. Tonight, let it work. Watch the weirdness unfold. Trust the junk drawer. It knows what it's doing. And if you dream about me, don't worry. I'm probably just there to debug your life. Same time tomorrow, hit subscribe. Your brain will handle the rest. Sweet dreams and maybe floss. Seriously, your teeth are counting on you.